everyone, welcome back to Uthando Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, we're talking about Uthando Nesthembu season 6 episode 10. On this episode, Musa Mseleku'S had a beautiful conversation with his daughter Abongwe ngendaba yakhe yokuthandana nabantu abanobulili obufana nobakhe. Musa was asking her if she has found a date for matric dance or not, and Abongwe said yes, I had a date but not anymore because ama parents date yakhe the moment ez ukuthi date umntanabo is a lesbian, they refused. Musa had to tell Abongwe ukuthi yena as ubabu wakhe uyamthanda futhi acceptile as she is. He also mentioned ukuthi uMacele was once stressed about indaba ka Abongwe nokuba lesbian in a way yokuthi even though Abongwe doesn't know where her mother stand about her sexuality, uthi she was never open like her father. Guys, Mseleku'S is a typical Zulu man in a Nesthembu. Abantu abaningi ke thought ukuthi it will be very difficult for him to accept Abongwe, but he did the opposite, guys. He accepted her with love, which I think nabanye baba they must just learn one or two things from Musa Mseleku'S. Well guys, do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.